So what this letter says is that the Zimbabwe Defense Forces is concerned by some recent utterances on social media made by some members of the public, including some retired members on their individual political and economic wishes on the situation in Zimbabwe, which may unfortunately be misconstrued to be the position of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. The public is hereby advised that the Zimbabwe Defense Forces have established channels of communicating with the public, and social media is not one of them. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces therefore disassociate themselves from all social media utterances emanating from the public, including some retired members. So this is the first point. The first point is they are making it clear that they have not issued any statement, and no one speaks on their behalf except maybe when they use their own channels. And then they noted further with concern the continued misuse of military uniform by some members of the public. And they are saying that the use or the abuse of the military uniform is an offense which prohibits and criminalizes the wearing of military uniform by individuals who are not members of the defense forces.